Everybody, Dana Holton, a realtor with Miller and Company. So I'm at my newest listing in Sandy. It's 1596 East Sunrise Meadow Drive, and that's about 9350 South. Super excited to show you guys. We've been working on it for a while and it just hit the market. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with just under 2,000 square feet, and it's $435,000. So yeah, let's take a look, see what you guys think. So it is a split entry home, as you can see there. And look, right when you walk in, look at all that natural sunlight, those vaulted ceilings. It really helps give you that nice open feel that so many of us love. You have the fireplace. Right, and then right there you have your nice defined dining area that overlooks the backyard. And look at that gorgeous kitchen. So bright and modern. You have tons of counter space to work with. Look at that backsplash, it's gorgeous. Okay, so downstairs is a living room and a bedroom. And then upstairs going here, you have the hall bathroom. And then look at that gorgeous design in the shower. I absolutely love that. You have a bedroom. You have another bedroom. And the master. So the master's a good size, and it does have double closets, which is awesome. And then my favorite part of the house, it's the master bath. Look at how gorgeous that shower is. It is so beautiful. All right, so again, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, $435,000 with just under 2,000 square feet. Give me a call. My name's Dana Holton, 801-448-3668,